Good day. Thank you for calling Peter Restaurant. This is Basil Reyes speaking. How may I assist you?
Good evening. I'd like to make a table reservation, please.
Of course, sir. May I have your name, please?
My name is Charles Gabriel C. Stanislaw.
Thank you, Mr. Stanislaw. May I also have your contact number in case we need to reach you?
Yes, it is. 0912
Perfect. May I know the date and time you would like to reserve?
I'd like to reserve a table for September 14th, Sunday at 7 p.m.
Noted, sir. And how many guests will be dining with you?
There will be four of us.
Would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking, please.
Alright. Do you have any special requests such as seating preference or dietary requirements?
Yes. If possible, we'd like a table near the window.
Certainly, Mr. Stanislaw. Let me repeat the details of your reservation to confirm. A table for 4 guests on September 14th, Sunday at 7 p.m. in the non-smoking section with the window side table request. Contact number is 0912-345-6789. Is that correct, Mr. Stanislaw?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful! Your reservation has been confirmed, Mr. Stanislaw. We look forward to welcoming you and your party at Pitek Restaurant. Thank you for choosing us.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Have a great day and we'll see you soon. Thank you.